What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. And in today's video, I'm taking you guys with me to work, and I'm just gonna do a little day in life, basically. You know, show you guys what I do for work, and that's pretty much it. Show you guys the headaches I deal with from time to time. And let's get to it. Right now, I'm gonna go to the GoPro. I can see what I'm seeing, and then take it from there. And I explain what I do and where I work at. So what's going on, guys? Again, welcome back to the video. And before we go any further, don't forget to smash that like button and hit that subscribe button. Like, please, guys, don't forget to subscribe every time you click into one of my videos. We're just gonna keep on growing. Right now we're at like 179. Soon we'll be at that 200 mark, how, you know, I want to be. And to be honest, the goal is 500 before the end of the year, because you never know, we might hit that 1,000 mark. But 500 before the end of the year, I feel like it's super doable, and that's exactly what I want to hit. And I'm gonna keep on putting out content. And damn, this is why I don't let my kid sit up on the front with me. One just parked up because I just found some of her cookies stuck behind the steering wheel. But besides that, so today I'm gonna bring you guys along with me to work. I work for some company named Hungry. If you want, you can go look them up. They're, you know, a catering company. I like what they're doing, so, you know, I don't mind contributing to the cost. And at the end of the day, I'm still getting paid. And that's, you know, how videos get made and bills get paid. So basically, what I do is I transport food. I basically bring breakfast, lunch, and dinner for them. So their bags in groups of 3 and it's also right now something, you know, due to the coronavirus, there's a lot of elderly people that cannot come out. And you know, so, and when I found out what this job was about, to be honest, I was all down for it, because I understand the struggles. Like there's even younger people like me that can't really go out due to the coronavirus, due to having asthma or having some type of sickness. Imagine elderly people that really can't come out because they have bad lungs or a bad heart. So I was like, you know what, I'm all down, sign me up, you know. And I just come to work every day and I kill it. I do, me personally, on a daily, I start off with 65, and the most I've ever done is 130. And with 130 stops, I'll be done by like 4 o'clock. And which, that's like amazing, because a lot of people, you know, with 70 stops, 60 stops, 40 stops, be done by like 3 o'clock. So I say you could tell me putting in that work. The only thing I don't like is that I be draining my gas, because I don't play no games, yo. It's time to work, it's time to work. And yeah, I might be late today, but it was whatever. I'm putting too much work. Right now it is 7:04. I'm supposed to be there at 7:30, and I am stuck in traffic, and this sucks. I hate traffic so much. That's all these damn trucks, yo. Yo, this thing is such a blow. Damn, aggressive much? Shit, man. I feel like I'm playing Don't Hit the Cars, when in reality all I want to do is just smack into people for acting mad reckless. But you know, gotta take care of what's mine, because ain't nobody doing it for me. Look at all that traffic just because of these trucks, and look at all this emptiness. That's what I be talking about. Let's see. So right now, I'm on my way to my pickup point to go pick up the food. After I pick up the food, I'm going all the way to Staten Island to do the deliveries. And I love working out there, because everything is just houses. You just front porch, you know, take a picture, knock on the door, you know, I'll give them a little call, and that's pretty much it. I'm not really gonna record the load and stuff, because, you know, that is my workplace. Like, I don't want people really seeing what I'm doing, and I don't want them to be like, yo, why you recording type shit. So I'm just gonna load up, and then once I load up, I'm gonna just take a couple videos of just how everything is set up, how packed everything is. So basically, on a good day, the most I've ever fit in the trunk as is right now is 4 bags, and that's because I got lucky. But on average, it's always 3, and then everything on the back seat, and then like 2 or 1 on my brother's lap, or just on the front seat as a general. Because sometimes they pack these bags and they make them look so ugly, and I'll be like, yo, what's the point of that? But guys, catch you there and see you in a little bit. So yeah guys, put up the windows so y'all won't hear all that wind noise. And right now we're on the way to Staten Island. We're about to get it litty. As you can see, car's full. 1 right here, 4 in the trunk, and a shit ton in the back seat. Yeah, you know, we ain't paying for this tow, we're just gonna go right through it. But besides that, we're on the way to Staten Island. The roads look nice. We're in Jersey. We just finished it. We're basically getting out of Jersey City right now. Besides that, yo, you know, we're just gonna keep on pushing. Give it pushing, give it pushing. And yeah, no ticket for me. Cause you know, don't care. Got the templates on. That doesn't really matter. As you can see, Jersey City right here, exit 14B. We need 14A. I don't know why this car sounds supercharged a little bit. Damn, yo, it's too hot. Yo, it feels so nice out today, but it feels like it's gonna rain like OD. And I don't like when it rains because I have a tendency, oh man, whatever. I always be falling and busting my behind, so, you know, that's why I don't like when it rains. Oh, let's slow down because it's saying something about the cops. We don't do those. Yeah, nobody yet. There's a construction over here. Welcome to New Jersey. Oh, look at one over there on that side. He waiting for niggas over there. I don't know if y'all saw him or not, but I'm gonna talk to you guys when I get there, and I'm gonna walk around the car, show you guys all the bags, and from there we take it. Alright guys, so basically I'm going to my next stop right now. That is 3 minutes away. And I'm gonna show you guys basically how I do it. You know, I'm already in Staten Island. I've already done a couple. You know, I'm trying to bring them on fast. Because the faster the better. As soon as I'm done, I get to go home basically. But sometimes, you know, I get to finish early, super early, that I go home, work on my cars. Ooh, M3 and a Corvette. Ooh, now I like those 2 cars. Oh, earlier, yo, I seen the TSX on the JDM front conversion, and damn, I forgot what else it had. It was just an orange color with a carbon fiber hood. It was just fire. I was like, damn. And I don't know what type of headlights he had, but those shits was hot. I want to get some crazy headlights too for the TL. And we almost there. So basically, when I use it for this, it doesn't really tell me what number of the house is, so I just switch over to the app that I use for work. So right now it's telling me I gotta get 2 groups, so basically 2 sets, and house 31. So I just come to the block like I'm about to shoot it up. Brrr, bang! Nice and slow. Oh, look at 31 right there. Oh, should I pull up like this? Come to the trunk. So there's 2 black bags. I don't know if this is like lunch or dinner, but I know these are breakfast. So I think this is like breakfast, lunch and dinner, or breakfast, lunch and dinner. I'm not sure. So basically, here they got two groups, so the bags are all the same. So this is like breakfast, lunch and dinner, so that's one group, and then this is another group. Come, put it right in front, go to my app, hit arrived, take a picture, and we got paid. Save it. I don't know if you guys can see it or not, but normally it looks like this, and I go through the list. But if you go through the list like this, you'll be doing this all day. You go to the same block like 5 different times. So what I do, I go to the little map and I look through it myself. See, so I'll click here. That's the next one I'm going to. 3. Then when I get there, click arrive, and you know, you just keep on going from there. 11, 9. So was that one in? This is 4. So the 3 is right here. And sometimes these houses are like multi-families, so you have to be careful. So we're gonna hit arrive. Okay. Then check apartment 2. So apartment 2 should be like on the side probably. I don't know, I'm gonna go find it, you know, grab my 2 sets and call it a day. Oh, I'm over here. Yeah, so that's apartment 1, so I guess apartment 2 is on the side. Ah, my finger. Hopefully. Alright, so maybe it's to the front door. I have no clue, but we're gonna figure it out. Go close this again. I like to put the stuff back exactly how I found it. Like that, there's no complaints. Everybody's happy. Customers happy. They're coming onto their property and respecting their stuff. How the hell am I gonna find apartment 3? When this happens, I just call the number, which you guys can't see that, so give me a second. How you doing today, guys? It's the end of the video. It's a couple days later, and I just wanted to say, if you really like the video, guys, don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe, tell a friend to subscribe, you know, because we're just gonna keep on making more banger videos. But on that note, I just wanted to say, guys, as well, if you really like these videos that I've been doing, like with the head mount, driving around, you know, I just took you guys along with me to work. You know, you want to see more videos like that, like I said before, you gotta like and also comment down below so I can know you're interested in it. And if you haven't already, guys, go follow me on Instagram at 6BTL. My Instagram name is always in the description, so don't be afraid to go follow me. And you can hit me up through there. I always reply to everybody. It might not be right away. Sometimes I'm not always on my phone, but I always end up replying. You can ask anybody that follows me, that subscribes to me, that, you know, always hits me up. But on that note, guys, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Stay tuned for more and turn on your post notifications so you can get alerted every single time I post. And peace, guys, and have a great one. And I hope you guys are staying safe during this quarantine stuff. And let's just keep on making more videos, baby.